Morning, good day. This is your girl Dr. Tay here with another morning message. So a couple of weeks ago, I did a workshop called The Value of Authentic Leadership. And I highlighted just how we can live more authentically by being consistent with our values. And I talked about our inner values, the things that we hold close to us, the things that we say are important, and talked about our external values, which are the things that we actually give our attention to, and essentially was encouraging my attendees to understand how their inner values and their external values can be in more alignment. And it wasn't until later that I realized that this also applies to life. In order for us to really live authentically, we have to make sure that we are consistently demonstrating our values. What are the things that we say that we value, and what are the things that we actually give our attention to on a day-to-day basis? And so that is my challenge for you this week. I want you to spend some time really paying attention to, one, what is the thing that you say that you value? And make a list of it, right? Everything that you say that you value. If you value spending time with family, if you value saving money, if you value being happy, list all of that. And then I want you to spend some time throughout the week just assessing whether or not you're consistently doing those things, whether or not you are giving those things your attention. And so if you value family, how much time are you really spending with your family? If you value saving money, how much are you actually saving on a weekly basis? If you value having fun, what are you doing to bring more fun into your life? And once you see if there are any discrepancies, then perhaps there's an opportunity for you to do some adjustments, right? Either adjust your values or adjust what it is that you're giving your attention to. This is something that we should be paying attention to as it relates to our everyday life, because we want to show up authentically, right? And here's an opportunity to see if that's actually true, okay? You know what they say, the proof is in the pudding, right? So here is an opportunity for you to prove to yourself whether or not these are things that you actually value, okay? So that is my challenge for you this week, all right? So thank you so much for listening, and have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for listening to my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe below. Also, I have some other recommended videos for you to check out over here. All right, thanks a lot and have a great day.